Manufacturing scanning services help companies streamline operations, improve accuracy, and protect critical documentation by transforming paper-based processes into efficient digital workflows. From engineering drawings and production records to quality assurance reports and equipment manuals, GISI digitizes and organizes your manufacturing documents for easy access, secure storage, and seamless collaboration. Our high-resolution scanning technology captures every detail of large-format documents, blueprints, and technical diagrams, ensuring precision and clarity. By converting your records into searchable, indexed digital files, GISI enables faster information retrieval, enhanced compliance with industry standards, and improved traceability across departments. We offer both on-site and off-site scanning solutions to fit your facility's needs, along with document management systems that integrate directly into your existing processes. With GISI's expertise, manufacturers can reduce paper clutter, safeguard intellectual property, and maintain operational efficiency from the production floor to executive management.